Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject maths. Lesson 9. House of Hundreds 2. One day, Akbar and Birbal were walking in a big, green garden. Suddenly, Akbar looked up and saw many crows flying in the sky. He asked, "How many crows are there in our city?" Hmm, that's a tough question. The crows were flying here and there. Some were sitting on trees, some were flying away. No one could count them. Akbar said, "I will give a prize to the person who can count the crows." Next day, Birbal came and said, "There are 963 crows in our city." Akbar was shocked. He asked, "How can you be so sure?" Birbal smiled and said, "If there are less, then some crows are on holiday. If there are more, then some crows have come to visit." Everyone laughed and Akbar gave him the prize. So smart, Birbal. Next topic, let's look at Birbal's number, 963. It has 3 digits. 9 in the hundreds place, 6 in the tens place, 3 in the ones place. That's how we write big numbers in the house of hundreds. Next topic, my numbers. Now let's play with numbers. We are given two digits, 3 and 8. Can we make new numbers with these? Yes. Jojo says, I can make 38. Next example, now let's try making more. 83, 33, 338, 383. You can use the digits again and again to make two-digit and three-digit numbers. Thanks for watching.